Doors are one of the most frequently used features in a home, yet they're often overlooked until a problem becomes impossible to ignore. Small issues can quietly develop over time, and by the time they're obvious, door replacement may already be urgent. For homeowners in Eagle, recognizing early warning signs can help prevent discomfort, security concerns, and costly repairs down the line. Subtle drafts near entryways. One of the earliest signs of door trouble is a slight draft near entry points. It may feel like a cool or warm breeze when you walk past the door, especially during certain times of day. Because it's subtle, many homeowners dismiss it or assume it's normal. In Eagle homes, even minor drafts can signal worn seals or shifting frames. Addressing this early helps maintain indoor comfort and prevents the issue from worsening. Doors that don't close as smoothly as they used to. A door that requires a little extra push or pull may not seem like a big deal at first. However, sticking, dragging, or misalignment often indicates structural changes in the door or frame. Eagle homeowners sometimes adjust their habits to accommodate these changes rather than addressing the root cause. Over time, these issues can worsen, making door replacement more complicated and urgent. Fading, peeling, or surface wear. Cosmetic wear is easy to overlook, especially when it doesn't affect functionality right away. Fading finishes, peeling surfaces, or small cracks may seem like purely aesthetic concerns. In reality, these signs often indicate exposure damage or material breakdown. For Eagle homes, surface wear can lead to deeper issues if moisture or air begins to penetrate the door structure. Increased outside noise. Many homeowners don't connect rising noise levels with door performance. If you're hearing more street sounds or outdoor activity than before, your door may no longer be sealing properly. In Eagle houses, increased noise often signals gaps or thinning materials. While the change can be gradual, it's an important sign that door replacement may be approaching. Difficulty locking or unlocking. Locks that stick, misalign, or require extra effort are often blamed on hardware issues. However, these problems are frequently tied to door warping or frame movement. Eagle homeowners may replace locks without realizing the door itself is the issue. Ignoring this sign can compromise security and lead to urgent replacement needs later. Temperature differences near the door. If rooms near your doors feel noticeably warmer or cooler than the rest of the house, it may be more than just airflow. Doors that no longer insulate effectively can allow outside temperatures to affect nearby spaces. Many Eagle homeowners attribute this discomfort to general climate changes rather than door performance. Over time, these temperature imbalances become more pronounced and harder to ignore. Small gaps around the frame. Tiny gaps around the edges of a door are easy to miss unless you're looking for them. These gaps may appear as light shining through or slight unevenness along the frame. In Eagle homes, even small gaps can lead to air leaks, moisture intrusion, and increased wear. Catching this issue early can help avoid a more urgent situation. Water stains or moisture near entry points. Moisture near doors is a sign that something isn't right. Water stains, damp spots, or swelling around the frame indicate exposure that shouldn't be happening. Many Eagle homeowners overlook early moisture signs, assuming they're temporary. Left unaddressed, these issues can quickly escalate and require immediate door replacement. Why early attention makes a difference. Door issues rarely appear overnight. They develop slowly, often in ways that are easy to ignore. By paying attention to subtle changes, Eagle homeowners can take action before problems become urgent. Replacing doors proactively improves comfort, security, and daily convenience while avoiding last-minute stress. Recognizing the signs early ensures door replacement happens on your timeline, not as an emergency.